how to use the Countifs function in Excel. So what it does is it looks at different areas and then will return a 1 if it's true that it is meeting the criteria that you have set, or a 0 if it is false. So let's go ahead. So we'll have a couple cells here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we'll type out equals Countifs. So the criteria range here we're going to put as A1, comma, and we want that criteria 1 to be equal to 1. Then our second criteria range, A2, we want that value to be equal to 2. And then we want criteria range 3 to be 3 and equal to 3. So if we go ahead and close this off, we get a 1 because this happens one time in this area. Okay, so if we put in nothing here, it goes to 0 because that criteria, or all those criteria that are met, no longer happens. So if, for example, we multiplied this or added this to another range here where we had 1, 2, 3 again, and then checking for those, then it would count 2 because we have 2 sets of 1, 2, 3. And that is how you use the Countifs function in Excel.